Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Extreme Skins skin install for my new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Been waiting for these skins to come in, so I am super excited, stoked to share the process with all of you. Extreme Skins, huge shout out to you for giving me the opportunity. All the information so you can purchase a skin for your Z Fold 8. Maybe you want 2 or 3 of them. Who knows? There will be a link down below in the description area. I gotta tell you folks, man, Extreme Skins has skins for many, many different type of tech. Whether that's your smartphone, your laptop, your gaming systems, just trust me. Go check it out. And the skins themselves, whether it's glossy, whether it's a matte finish, brushed, leather, and many, many other design choices, they got it going on. So hit the link down below and do some shopping. Okay, with that, let's get a good look at the packaging here. Extreme Skins Precision Style Protection. You got a website there, which is going to be down below in the description area. And because the skins are coming out of the UK, you have to give them a few extra days for shipping, especially here in North America. So if I were you, I would order at the beginning of the week. That way you could probably receive it by the end of the week or the following Monday or Tuesday. You get a microcloth. I got my own little rubbery pad here so I can place my Z Fold 8 on top, so that helps it stay in place. Again, the microcloth and all of the skins here. You got these alcohol prep wipes. We're only going to need one. It's nice to have extras. Okay, before we look at all of these skins, I want to show you this information here. Thank you for your order. You're awesome. Folks, make sure you read everything, especially that information there. Save on your next order, 20% off. That is awesome. And on the back, you can follow Extreme Skins on their social media platforms. A lot of information. Again, do not skip a beat.
Got matte orange. You can see the skin for the camera area. You got carbon fiber black, wood, mint green, matte texture, army camo, and you get some film screen protectors, which is something new for me. I've never seen this in the packages that I received from Extreme Skins. So definitely something to consider as far as outside of a tempered glass screen protector, the film screen protectors. We'll put that over to the side. I'm going to choose one of these.
I'm going to actually go with the wood color one. Again, many, many different types of skins, patterns, textures. You can't go wrong, folks. You really, really can't go wrong.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
I'm not going to use a blow dryer because it's only the back. Some skins that you can purchase, whether it's through Extreme Skins, SoapyGuard, or other companies, come with the little side strips, top and bottom strips. Those you really need to heat up the adhesive so they stick really well, especially if you're going to be using a case. Because if you pull off the case, those little strips that go up top, bottom, and sides can easily come off if the adhesive is not heated up really, really well. And once you're done with that process of heating up those strips, getting the back part of your skin on, putting on the case, you really want to leave that case on for a while because it's just going to press up against the skin. It's going to press up against those side, top, and bottom strips, and it helps with the adhering process. And then over time, it just becomes harder for those pieces to easily come off. So, but it's just the back, so I'm not going to use a blow dryer. But if you do, make sure that you're constantly moving the heat around. You don't want the heat to sit in one area, damage the skin, and more importantly, damage your phone. So you want to constantly move that hot heat, whether that's a circular motion, back and forth, it doesn't matter. Move that heat around. I do have these little plastic tweezers that's going to help with the camera area as far as that piece of skin, because it's very difficult to lay it down, and you'll see what I'm talking about. It's pretty tight in there to easily get that area on. So I'm going to start with the camera island there. And this is where this little tool comes into play. I would not use actual tweezers. Okay, use something that's plastic that's not going to damage your Z Fold 8. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Just a little bit off there. I should be able to just move it over with my thumb, putting a little bit of pressure, and it doesn't matter if it's not perfect.
What?
I used to be that way, really, really detailed. I had to be super perfect, but I tell you, ever since I became a husband and a father throughout the years, I've had to calm down. Okay, actually I want to go that route. That area looks really good. Let me show you one more time. Look at that. Okay, the back. Got the adhesive. Let's stand up for this part. Let's start on this side. You know what I didn't do?
Tell me!
My bad. Now, my Z Fold 8 is super clean, okay? The alcohol prep wipe, the microcloth, is for cleaning off the back, your camera area, giving it a nice wipe down, then applying the skin. Mine was clean, but do me a favor. Make sure you use the microcloth and the alcohol prep wipe. Anyway, it was clean, so I'm not worried about that. Now I have protection for the back of my Z Fold 8, and that looks great. That looks really, really good. Camera area looks great. And yeah, little extra love for my Z Fold 8. I'm going to come back out, and I have this clear case from Ringke, magnetic clear fusion, and I'm going to put it in the case. Got to be careful because you got this little TPU area here, this little extended area that connects into that little hole right there. It came out. It's up top as well. Okay, so there we go. Already reviewed this case. You can go check it out. It's a really, really nice clear case from Ringke. It's got the hinge protection, a lot of lip protection. Plus I have the Banks Glass Warrior. So definitely a lot of protection, but it's that right there that we want to look at. You can see that there's a little few smudges on the inside. I didn't get it perfect, but outside of it looking good, the case, the Ringke case, the Fusion on my Z Fold 8, the skin there, again, it just gives a little bit of extra loving to the phone. It looks great. It protects my Z Fold 8. Yeah, it just it pops out. Got the magnetic ring there, and it's just really, really nice. It really, really is. And I just don't want to go out without protection. I know some of you are going to put on a skin and call it good. Not me. I mean, that right there looks solid. You let me know. Follow the instructions though, folks. Okay? I don't always do it right, but I think you get the gist of what's going on here. Okay? Again, if you use a blow dryer, move it around. Leaving the case on for a while helps press up against that skin. Okay? I've already mentioned that. It helps the adhering process. So, yeah, I'm going to give a little bit of a wipe down right there. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's better. That's a lot better. Okay, any questions? Please ask down below in the comment section. Information to purchase down below in the description area. Extreme Skins, thank you so much for the opportunity. To all of you for watching. God bless you all. Peace. I'm out.